Welcome to the Canary Cove. I'm Nicole. Find a quiet and comfortable space to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and take a few moments to center yourself. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, healing air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Continue to slowly inhale and exhale for 3 breaths at your own pace, and after your 3rd breath, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to your body. Visualize a warm, golden light surrounding you, representing healing energy. With each breath, imagine this light entering your body, spreading to every corner and soothing any areas that need healing. Now, focus your attention on any specific areas of your body that may be experiencing discomfort or pain. As you breathe, visualize the healing light concentrating on those areas, bringing comfort and relief. Picture the tension melting away, replaced by a sense of calm and well-being. Envision your body as a vibrant, harmonious system, with each breath promoting healing and balance. Feel the energy flowing within, repairing and restoring any imbalances. As you continue to breathe, let go of any negative thoughts or emotions associated with physical discomfort, allowing them to dissolve in the healing light. Affirm to yourself that your body has an incredible ability to heal. With each breath, repeat these affirmations. My body is a vessel of healing energy. I am surrounded by healing light, and my body is responding positively. I am healthy. My body is healthy. As the healing light permeates every cell of your body, imagine a sense of renewal and vitality washing over you. Visualize yourself in a state of perfect health and well-being. See yourself engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Continue to breathe deeply, soaking in the healing energy. When you feel ready, gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch, and open your eyes. Carry this sense of healing and well-being with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to promote healing within your body through the simple act of breathing and visualization.